Hi, I'm Rich Binder. I'm the founder of Binder & Associates. I've been practicing law for over 40 years. I'm a member of the California State Bar. I was formerly a member of the American Bar Association. I'm also privileged to have been awarded super lawyer status for the last decade. I'm here to talk about auto accidents. Accidents happen. They can happen to you. They're not foreseeable, and that's why we call them accidents. When you get into an accident, things happen, things that change your life. When you're in an accident, please bear in mind that the person that caused your accident is, in fact, the person that's responsible for you to be made whole. Well, that's a legal term. And it's a term that we sort of banter about. And let me explain a little what that means, because being made whole means a number of things. It means that your medical bills are paid for if you have any. It means that your property damage is addressed if you have property damage. It means that if you have a loss of earnings, you get that money back. And it also means a recovery for pain and suffering. Injuries hurt. And that's what we call pain and suffering. And that's what you're entitled to a recovery for. Now, when these accidents happen, and they will happen, bear in mind that the person that caused your injuries is going to pick up a telephone and he's going to call an insurance company. And they're going to take over the defense of that claim. And bear in mind that that insurance company has an agenda. And that agenda is to pay you as little as possible. And that's why it behooves you to hire an attorney. More importantly, a law firm that has experience and knowledge to best represent you in presenting your claim to this insurance company that wants to pay you as little as possible. We've been doing this for a very long time. As I mentioned before, we've been doing it for in excess of 40 years. And I like to believe that we have the insight, the experience, the knowledge, the training to be able to maximize the value of your case. And that's what we'll do for you, because we'll make sure that you're fully compensated for your injuries, for your property damage, for your medical bills, for your loss of earnings, and most importantly, for your pain and suffering. Because very often, people can't see your pain. People can't see that your physicality has changed. We have insight into that, and we have ways to communicate that area of damage to insurance companies, and more importantly to the attorneys that represent these insurance companies. And that's how and why we can maximize your recovery when you've been harmed by someone else's fault.